Hey everybody, so we're super excited to do our very first screen recording with all of you, showing you how to use Poll Everywhere. The first thing that you're going to want to do is type in www.polleverywhere.com, which I already have saved in here. And what it brings you to is the home page of Poll Everywhere. You can go ahead and click this big red button. It doesn't get much easier than this. Click the button and it's going to bring you to this small page where you are able to type in a question. If you have further questions after this, or if you just want to watch it, you can watch this little film that's on here and play it. It's pretty short, but it's very informative. For our question, we came up with how many major Hawaiian islands are there in the Hawaiian chain? I hope you guys all know what the answer is. But anyways, as we scroll down, we have a few options here. Open-ended, multiple choice, clickable image. Let's keep it simple and select multiple choice. We're going to give the students some options here. Let's go ahead and type in 3, 5, 8, and 10. Okay, and we're using this as a pre-assessment in our class. You have the other option to type in another question if you wish, but we'll go ahead and create. And here you go. This is the image here that you will want to project onto a screen if at all possible. I know some of our classrooms do not have projectors, and so you can just write up these numbers and have the students take out their mobile devices, namely cell phones, and use this just based off of your own handwriting on the board. But what's really cool about putting this up is that they can see results as they come in. So it's really up to you. You can see here that the code that they are texting to the recipient is 22333. And based off of the answer that they feel is correct, they will be typing in the code that kind of corresponds. This really takes us back to those good old American Idol days when we would, text in or call in. And I think that the students really appreciate it when we try to incorporate any kind of technology into our classrooms. And so in this case, let's say a student goes ahead and responds by texting in, and whoa, you can see the result comes just within a matter of milliseconds, and you can see that one student has already put in a response, 8, which is, just in case, is correct, and you'll see all the results come up in real time. It's really quite exciting for the students to be able to see this. Now, some teachers may ask, well, what do I do about the student that doesn't have a cell phone, but they bring a laptop or some kind of a tablet to class? Are they able to use that? Well, the answer is yes. And so what they'll do is they'll log on to pollev.com. This is what PollEv looks like, this page right here. Now let's say this student, wanted to try and vote twice. And so let's say that they already have the number that they're thinking of, and this is going to be their second time to respond. Oh, you can see that Poll Everywhere kind of shuts them out and says you can't vote anymore on this particular poll. It keeps track of who votes. I don't know how it does it, but it does. And so that's really the cool thing about this particular program. Lastly, on this side margin here, the teacher has the option to stop the poll, to edit the question, to copy, to delete the question, or to clear the results. Maybe if you're going from class to class, you want to ask the same question and do the same poll, but want brand new results to pile in. This is how you would do it. And lastly, down here, we have options that include live chart, summary table, response history, and then screenshot. We are asking you, after you do at least one survey with your students, to go ahead and click this. I'm unable to open it because I'm in this program right now, but if I was not, I would simply just click this screenshot and it would come up and it would save it to my desktop. And that is really the cool feature. It just kind of saves the results just like it would a picture. If you can email that over to us, that would be greatly appreciated. That way we can see if we can answer any questions, see what your results were. We're really excited for all of you, and thank you so much for participating in our trading. Aloha.